But we begin with Kayla Tausche, of course, in Osaka at the G20 with the latest as the president prepares for what could be a pivotal meeting with President Xi. Kayla.
Good morning, Wilf. White House officials can't say with certainty what will transpire between President Trump and President Xi in that meeting just 12 hours from now. But a senior administration official tells me the working assumption is the result that we will get is an agreement to de-escalate tensions and resume negotiations going forward. That is, unless President Xi refuses to revisit the enforcement terms that the Chinese walked away from in early May. So that is the contingency point that this all hinges on. The market, I'm told, is an important metric for President Trump going into his reelection, as evidenced by this tweet that you're looking at that he sent out earlier today while his G20 counterparts were already at dinner. One other news point that might be of interest to President Trump, who has liked to say that businesses are moving out of China in response to his trade actions, is this news that Apple is now going to be moving the assembly of its Macbook Pro to China from Texas. We'll see if the president has anything to say about that. But the meeting's outcome, it could be an item that would remove uncertainty from the global trading system, or it could just add to ongoing trade tensions. We'll see exactly what it does. But for leaders here at the G20, there are a whole host of other financial and geopolitical issues that are on the agenda. Here are just a few of these. European leaders want to make sure that auto tariffs are not still on the table. They want to make sure that this delay is a permanent one, and they want to discuss that with President Trump. Japan was on defense as President Trump slammed its post-war defense treaty. Russia and the U.S. were going to discuss a new arms control framework after a previous treaty dissolved, and new sanctions could be in the works for Turkey after that country purchased Russian military equipment. That last item could come up in a bilateral tomorrow between Trump and Turkey's President Erdogan, which happens just 90 minutes after that meeting with President Xi begins. Guys?
Kayla Tausche in Osaka, thank you. Meantime.